Hello, hello, Megan here. Today I am making two baby closets for a couple of baby showers that I have coming up. Both of these mommies are pregnant with little boys, so I got them these little crates that I wanted them to be able to use for whatever they wanted. I did sand them down really good, stain them and seal them. You can get these crates anywhere, Home Depot, Lowe's, Hobby Lobby, wherever. Now, specifically, I did not want to drill into these. I did not want to glue in. I didn't want to mess up the crates because I wanted mom to be able to use them for her storage or closet or whatever. So I just used some twine and some zip ties just to put the dowels up. The dowels is something she can just pull out, throw away, do whatever she wants to do with them. And then she can use the crate for other purposes. Now this twine I already had on hand, but it wasn't needed. It was just for decoration purposes. I didn't like the way the black zip ties looked. I thought this looked a little cuter. Now it does look a little flimsy, I'll give you that. But once we put in the diapers, the filler items, you'll see it in a minute, it does strengthen. I had no issue driving across town with these, carrying them into the shower. People were moving it around, and there was no problem at all. And there was quite a bit of weight on it once I put all the clothes on it. And this is what it ends up looking like. Just really simple. Now, I'm telling you, these are showstoppers. When you walk in, I mean, everybody wants to take pictures with them. They normally end up going on the present table, and everybody comments on them. They love them. So you want to make it look as cute as possible. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm just kind of sorting out because I have two babies and two moms that I'm getting this for. I'm kind of who's going where. I do try to respect mom's registry. So, aside from a lot of the clothes, everything is off mom's registry. These are veteran moms. This is not their first baby. They know what they like. They know what they're doing. So I'm going to get exactly what they ask for. I'm also going to pay attention to the sizes. Now, we live in Southern California. You'll see a lot of summer outfits here or little sleepers, really thin stuff. But like the winter outfit that you just saw, that was a little larger because that's the age that baby will be when it gets a little cold out. So I do keep that in mind. And some of these were off mom's registry. Some of these were just stuff that I came across on clearance, on sale. Mom wanted some sleepers with the zipper. I know I loved those when I was pregnant or when I had my babies. And this was something on mom's registry. Such a cute outfits that she picked. Like all this stuff, this is all stuff that mom had probably used with her first baby. She knows it's good. Now the hangers I got from Ross or Burlington, one of the two. I forget which one. This is just more stuff from the registry. Teethers. This was one of those kits with the blanket that you lay the baby down and you take the month's photos. I was not about to open that. We want to keep that nice and clean for baby. I got 2 boxes of diapers, size 1 and size 2. I normally try to get a little bit larger. I stay away from newborn diapers just because my babies were out of those like damn near immediately outside of the hospital. So, and I know I really appreciated it. Someone got me a big box of size 2 diapers when I was pregnant, and it was great. So now what I'm doing here is I had these in my crafts already. I wish they were a little bit larger because you're going to see me kind of struggle with them. I'm just kind of setting up the outfit. To me, in my opinion, this looks a little cuter than the pants like clip behind it on the regular hanger that it came with on the store, because you can see the full outfit. And again, like I said in the beginning, this is a showstopper. People are going to want to take pictures with this. So you want it to look as cute as possible. And to me, this is just fun decorating. So I try to go a little bit extra with it and make it look cute. That way mom can see everything. And both of these moms like these type of hangers, so it worked out perfectly. I was able to split them up and just throw them on there. We want to try to make everything stuff that mom can use is, with the crate, with the hangers, with everything. And this was that winter outfit that I bought a little bit larger because it is warm when mom gives birth. So that way, hopefully, he'll be able to use it when he's a little bit older. And then this little, I believe this is a 3 to 6 size little summer outfit I thought was cute. I found on clearance, I believe at Target. And it came with a little bib. Now I'm just clipping them in place. And then I try to put my favorite outfit up front. Like this one had some really cute little foxes or bears or something on the feet, so I thought that was cute. So I was going to put that in front and then just hang the hat. And I didn't take apart the onesies because one, I didn't have enough hangers, and two, they were kind of a set, so I didn't want to rip them apart. Just in case mom decides she needs a bigger size or something like that. So now this is the filler that I was telling you about. This really strengthened the dowels so they didn't fall over. And I was able to fit 4 packages of diapers, so I have 2 size 1 and 2 size 2s in there. And now I'm just throwing in her stuff from her registry in there and putting that favorite outfit in the front. And his little winter outfit for when he's older. I'm going to do the same thing for this one. I'm going to be able to fit 2 size 1s and 2 size 2s. And if you didn't put the little clothespins or set up the clothes like that, you wouldn't be able to see the shorts and everything. So that's why I did that, because I wanted to be able to see everything. Now I'm just adding in all her little stuff from her registry and just making it cute for her picture. Now I'm just being annoying and being a perfectionist. And then I'm adding in this teether and then this little Big Brother book for the Big Brother that I found and I thought was cute for an extra little gift. And now I'm just decorating a little further. I had some little shoes I wanted to hang off. And then that mama didn't use pacifiers, but this one did. So I put on this pacifier. And my baby stole the other one. And I was not about to give them a used one, so so now again this is extra, but I figured I have a Cricut, I might as well use it. So one baby had his name already ready to go, and the other one mama has not decided on. So I just did little brother, and her theme was this mama's theme was kind of like a leaves and everything, so I tried to stick with that, and then the other theme was elephants. So and as you can see, when I tell you I was fighting for my life to put these stickers on, because this little man was not letting me do that. So this is the one that the theme is kind of leaves, and or I don't know what the theme's called, but that's what her baby shower invitation looked like. And then this mom's theme was elephants. My son was not having it. He was like, "Oh, this is all from me." And if I scoot by mom, she won't see me. See the scoot? And And I was so worried that he was going to try to grab the scissors on the other side of me. But he didn't care about that. He just wanted all the toys. And the soaps and the stuff that he shouldn't be having. So this one I just added little brother because again, we don't know the name on this one yet. I mean, we do now because he's born now, but and then Easton, she knew right away what that was going to be. I figured because I had the elephant on the other one, this one just ended up looking a little plain to me, which is silly because they're not going together. They are different baby showers. But I ended up just adding these little feet because I thought, why not? This is something I had in my Halloween stuff. I'm a little disappointed because they were supposed to be blue and they ended up looking a little purple, but I had so many and I wanted to get rid of them. I was committed at this point. They were already on. But they look purple to me. That's all right. Boys can have purple. And my son's still ripping apart all the hard work I just did. So this is what they end up looking like. Little brother and Easton, ready to go to their baby showers. All right, guys. Well, I do these type of stuff all the time, so like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.